Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is a special video. I'm going to teach you the 100 most important English phrases that will change your life. These are the phrases that native speakers use every single day. Here's the amazing part. These 100 phrases represent only 20% of English, but they will help you understand and speak 80% of daily conversations. This is called the Pareto Principle, or the 80-20 rule. By the end of this video, you'll have the essential phrases you need for meeting people, shopping, restaurants, work, travel, and everyday situations. I will say each phrase 3 times. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's learn the 100 phrases that will unlock English for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Let's begin. Category: meeting people. Hello. 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 The most basic greeting. How are you? How are you? How are you? Ask this when you meet someone. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Standard positive response. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say this when meeting someone for the first time. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Ask someone's name politely. My name is. Introduce yourself. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Ask about someone's origin. I'm from. Tell where you're from. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. More formal way to greet someone. See you later. See you later. See you later. Casual goodbye. Category: being polite. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Express gratitude. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Respond to thanks. Please. 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 Make polite requests. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Get someone's attention politely. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Apologize for mistakes. No problem. No problem. No problem. Say something is okay. Pardon me? Pardon me? Pardon me? Ask someone to repeat. Could you help me? Could you help me? Could you help me? Ask for assistance. Of course. Of course. Of course. Agree enthusiastically. May I? May I? May I? Ask permission formally. Category: essential questions. Where is? Where is? Where is? Ask for locations. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Ask about prices. Can I have? Can I have? Can I have? Request something. I would like. I would like. I would like. Polite way to order or request. Do you have? Do you have? Do you have? Ask if something is available. I need. I need. I need. Express necessity. I want. I want. I want. Express desire. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Ask the time. How long does it take? How long does it take? How long does it take? Ask about duration. When does it start? When does it start? When does it start? Ask about timing. Category: comprehension. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Say you're confused. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Ask for repetition. Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more slowly? Request slower speech. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? Ask for explanation. How do you say? How do you say? How do you say? Ask for translation or word. I understand. I understand. I understand. Confirm comprehension. Can you write it down? Can you write it down? Can you write it down? Request written form. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Ask if someone speaks English. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. Describe your level. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ask for clarification. Category: Expressing yourself. I think. I think. I think. Share your opinion. I like. I like. I like. Express preference. I don't like. I don't like. I don't like. Express dislike. I love it. I love it. I love it. Show strong positive feeling. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Show strong negative feeling. I feel. I feel. I feel. Describe emotions. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Express fatigue. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Express need for food. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Express joy. I'm worried. I'm worried. I'm worried. Express concern. Category. Responding. I agree. I agree. I agree. Show agreement. I disagree. I disagree. I disagree. Show disagreement politely. You're right. You're right. You're right. Confirm someone is correct. That's true. That's true. That's true. Agree with a statement. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Express uncertainty. Maybe. Maybe, maybe. Express possibility. Probably. 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 Express likelihood. Definitely. 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 Express certainty. Absolutely. 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 Strong agreement. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Polite disagreement. Category. Scheduling. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ask about current activity. Do you want to? Do you want to? Do you want to? Invite someone? Would you like to? Would you like to? Would you like to? Polite invitation. I'd love to. I'd love to. I'd love to. Accept enthusiastically. I can't. I can't. I can't. Decline or show inability. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Explain unavailability. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Suggest action together. What time? What time? What time? Ask about scheduling. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Plan to meet next day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Wish someone well. Category, transactions. How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Ask the price. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. Say price is high. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Decide to buy. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Ask about payment. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Can I try it on? Request to test clothing. Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Ask for restroom location. I'm looking for. Explain what you need. Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Ask for size options. Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Request proof of purchase. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Ask about discounts. Category, getting help. Help, help, help. Call for assistance urgently. I need help. I need help. I need help. Request assistance. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Emergency request. I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost. Explain. You don't know where you are. Where's the hospital? Where's the hospital? Where's the hospital? Ask for medical facility. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Express illness. Can you call a doctor? Can you call a doctor? Can you call a doctor? Request medical help. There's a problem. There's a problem. There's a problem. Announce an issue. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Indicate trouble. I need this urgently. I need this urgently. I need this urgently. Express time sensitivity. Category, natural flow. Really? 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 Show surprise or interest. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. Respond positively to information. I see. I see. I see. Acknowledge understanding. Oh, I understand. Oh, I understand. Oh, I understand. Show comprehension with realization. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Excellent work. You've learned all 100 essential phrases. Let's review them by category. Greetings. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? And more. Courtesy. Thank you, please. Excuse me. I'm sorry. You're welcome and more. Daily needs. Where is? How much? Can I have? I would like. I need. And more. Understanding. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Speak slowly. What does this mean? And more. Feelings. I think, I like, I love, I feel, I'm tired, I'm happy, and more. Agreement. I agree, you're right, maybe, probably, definitely, and more. Making plans. What are you doing? Do you want to? Let's go. See you tomorrow, and more. Shopping. How much is this? I'll take it. Where's the bathroom I'm looking for? And more. Emergencies. Help, I need help, I'm lost, I don't feel well, call the police, and more. Conversation. Really, that's interesting, I see, good idea, no way, and more. How to use these phrases. Here are my top tips for mastering these 100 phrases. Tip 1. Practice daily. Choose 10 phrases each day and use them in sentences. Write them down, say them out loud. Tip 2. Create situations. Imagine yourself in different scenarios, at a store, meeting people, at a restaurant. Practice the relevant phrases. Tip 3. Record yourself. Use your phone to record yourself saying all 100 phrases. Listen back and improve your pronunciation. Tip 4. Use them in real life. Don't be afraid to use these phrases with native speakers. That's how you improve. Tip 5. Combine them. Mix and match phrases to create longer conversations. The more you combine, the more fluent you become. Tip 6. Focus on pronunciation. Listen to how native speakers say these phrases. Mimic their intonation and rhythm. Tip 7. Review regularly. Come back to this video once a week. Each time you'll remember more and speak more naturally. Great news! I've created a free study guide for you. It includes all 100 phrases with translations, pronunciation guides, example sentences for each phrase, practice exercises, conversation scenarios, audio practice activities. Download the link in the description below. This study guide will help you master these phrases faster. Congratulations! You now know the 100 most important English phrases. These phrases are your foundation. With them, you can have basic conversations, travel confidently, shop and order food, make friends, handle emergencies, express your thoughts and feelings. Remember, language learning takes time, but these 100 phrases will give you confidence to start speaking today. Now it's your turn. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below, which phrase will you use today? Share this with friends, learning English. Subscribe for more English lessons. Download the free study guide in the description. Challenge. Try to use 10 of these phrases today. Comment which ones you used. Next video, we'll learn how to combine these phrases into full conversations. Which situation do you want to practice? Shopping, restaurant, travel? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you can speak English. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.